In this short tutorial, what we're going to look at doing is adding some new testimonials to the website, and just wanted to show you how to do that, so in future, if you like, you can add them as you need to. So let's just have a brief overview of what the testimonials are actually doing on the website at the moment. We can see at the moment that there's 2 being displayed in the sidebar, and they randomly get displayed there every time that you go to another page or you visit the website. So for example, we've got Business Development Manager at the top there. When we click on Contact Page, you can see that they've been randomly displayed in a different order, or they've selected one of the number of testimonials that you have on the website. So let's just go to the testimonial category on the website. We can see that there are 3 existing testimonials in there, and we can click on one of those specifically if you wanted to. Just focus in on the one testimonial. But let's look at how we can add a new one. Because we have logged in, we now have this toolbar at the top here, and it's nice and easy. So we've got this option to add new. We've got post, media and page. We want to focus on the post option, because anytime that we create something that goes into a category, for example testimonials, it's a post, not a page. It's an actual post that we need to create, and that's one way of adding it. Or over in the dashboard, you have the option on the left hand side here, which has all those options there to view all the posts if you want to quickly go in and edit one, or add a new one. So you can add a new one down here. Or it's giving us the option up here as well to add a new one. Let's just try this one from the top panel there, and I'm just going to click Add New Post. A few little things to touch on here when we're creating a new post. Is to give it a title, and you could type that in. What I have been doing is just been calling the company name itself for the title of the testimonial. Up to you, you can go in and change them later on if you like, but for now I've just been doing that. So some important things to do if you are copying and pasting from another document. You'll see here you've got this visual mode and you've got this text mode. And this just toggles these things up and down. The important thing is, if you are cutting and pasting from another document, make sure it's in text mode. If you're typing just straight into the website, you can just have it on visual, and that's fine. And the reason why I say that you need, if you're cutting and pasting from another document or wherever it may be, in text mode, is when you paste it in there, it strips out any formatting that it may have from the previous document, which we do not want to bring into the website, as it will just, there'll be a bit of a clash in the background. Yeah, so just remember that, just to click text mode. Once you do copy and paste it in text mode, you can click back to visual mode, and you can see that all that text has been added in there. And there's just going to be a few little formatting things that we'll do to keep consistency with the other testimonials. Just going to remove that. So the things that have been doing is, for example, taking the person who gave the testimonial and making them bold. So just a little bit like word processor, just highlight and click it. And then also just making the company name, putting it in italics. And so if you do that each time with testimonials, it'll just keep it consistent with every page, and it's just good to do those little things. And next thing is that we can actually preview this before we make it go live, and this publish option here makes it go live. So let's just say we just want to preview it, just to show you that example. It opens a new tab in your browser, and then you can see there what that looks like. And you can see that it's been, if you wanted it, been bold and it's been created italic. I'm just going to close that tab down now. And we're going to do a few other little things. And another important thing is because it's a post, you've got to assign it a category. And by default, it will go automatically into testimonials because it's the only one. But in future reference, if there was ever 2 categories, you need to be specific about which category you want it to go into. So we're just going to click on there and make sure it goes in there. And I'm going to click Publish now. So this is making it go live on the website. and you can click view post now at the top here, and this takes us to the live on the website. And then we go to testimonials, we'll see that that's been added onto the testimonials page. And let's just go in now and just say we want to do a little bit more formatting there. I'm just going to click on the particular post that we want to edit, and then just come up here and click edit post. And see all these quote lines here. Ideally that they all should be sitting on their own line. So I'm just clicking delete return and making sure that they're all sitting on their own line. And the next thing that you may want to do is because they're all quotes, because they're all quotes, you may want to come up here, and there is a quote formatting option. So just click on there, and you can go into each one of those, and that just formats it in a particular way, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. So I'm just going to quickly do that, and I'll quote it, and last one, click update. Then go back to view post, or I could have preview changes, but there we can see that that's stylized it in a specific way for block quotes. Anyway, so that's the end of the tutorial on how to add new testimonials to the website. Okay, if you've got any questions, please ask.